Welcome. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to use Shopee's live selling feature to engage your customers and increase sales. Live streaming is a great way to showcase your products in real time while interacting with your audience. Let's dive in. Once you're on your Seller Center dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and find the Marketing Center. Under this, click on Live in Video to access the tools for live selling. Now you're in the Live and Video section. To start a new live selling session, simply click the Create Stream button in the top right corner. Next, what you would have to do is to set up your live stream by entering all the required details. You would have to insert an image as well. Mine is already inserted as I've done it earlier, but you can insert any image you like. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention. Let's just put live selling for now, just to make it simple, and a short description to let customers know what they can expect. So let's put hot sales right now. And then you can click on the products that this live stream is applicable to. So you can click and then choose the products that you would like to include in the live stream selling and click on confirm. Now, of course, you can choose the streaming type, either normal or test. So let's just choose the test since we're not really running a live stream right now, and we can see how it looks like. Just click on confirm. Now, if you're using external streaming software like OBS, Shopee provides a unique URL and stream key for integration. So you can copy these into your streaming software to set up your broadcasts. But of course, this is not a necessity. It is merely if you'd like to use an external streaming software. So simply follow Shopee's recommended settings for optimal quality. Before going live, add the products that you like to showcase by clicking on the product list here, and you'll be able to choose the products and delete it or add another one if you have more products accordingly. You can also configure promotions like vouchers or coin rewards to entice viewers to make purchases during the stream. When everything is ready, click Go Live to start your session. Interact with your viewers by responding to their comments and questions. Use this time to explain your products and highlight any special deals you've set up. During your live stream, monitor your performance metrics in the live real-time data section. Keep an eye on the number of viewers, likes, and shares to gauge engagement. Once your session is over, you just have to click on End Live. You can review key metrics like the total number of viewers, sales generated during your stream, and use this data to improve your future sessions. And that's about it. Live selling on Shopee is an effective way to boost your sales and connect with your customers in real time. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Happy selling!
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.